If you look here, this is a nice, beautiful unit. Look at all these massive antennas here. This thing should give me internet throughout my whole block, just like my other router is right now, which is a Luxul XMR 1200. But I believe this one should actually give me a lot stronger internet throughout my whole block. So basically, I could be at my neighbor's house, you know, enjoying a barbecue while on my internet, you know, streaming something, which would be for, you know, crazy if you ask me. But you know, the houses are kind of close. They're townhouses, and you know, this guy looks like it could stretch for blocks. I'm not 100% sure, but it really does. But it really is beautiful, the design too. I really love that name, Speedefy. So check the back here. You got your ports here. Got your one LAN port there. And these are your LANs. Let's say here, it says 3 IPTV. I don't know what that is, but 3/IPTV. So it's either 3, the third LAN port, or it's IPTV. And I don't know what IPTV is, but I'll look it up at some point and try to find out. There's a reset button there. Got the power there. Yeah, so this is the one that's going to take in the connection from the modem here. And then it's going to be shot out of all these beautiful 6 dBi antennas. You also get this here Ethernet cable, which is actually flat, which is very rare. So you know, this is a nice actual bonus here. I might not even use it right now. I might just save it for when I need it. You know, for something that's actually in need of flat cable, because I've never seen or owned a flat Ethernet cable before, so that's nice actually. And then you have the obvious power supply. I want to go over the directions real quick. Now these are, you can probably see them a lot better now with the lighting. Maybe not. But on this side is how to connect to your router via the web browser. Yeah, and on this side over here, it talks about what the app is called and how to download it. So, yeah. And it tells you how to do all that. The actual IP address is listed right here for the router. And tells you what to do once you get the app as well. Seems pretty easy and straightforward to set up your router to work. They actually tell you what all the light codes are. So with the solid, the blinking rapidly, the blinking for a certain amount of time. Lists all the ports and whatnot. I don't see anything about that other one that says IPS. I don't think it said RST, but I don't know. It said IPS, I'm pretty sure. I'll look it up later. But yeah, nice little straightforward guide here. And you know what I like about this? A lot of companies are very guilty of waste. They only sent me, knowing I live in America, they only sent me the one language pack. But some companies put the full language packs in, and nobody needs every single language, you know, when they order a product. They just need the one that they actually use, you know. So, so far, you know, it's a very minimalist product, which is actually good. You don't need a lot with a router. All you need is, you know, the basics, which I have right here. And it seems like it should replace the one that I have easily, and with a very, very strong connection. you know, a massively strong connection. So we're gonna check it out soon, and hopefully it works. But yeah, hopefully it works good. What we're looking for is an increase of connections in certain areas, stronger connection, further away from the house. You know, I took some benchmarks already to see what we were at. That way, it makes it easier for me to judge how good this router is and how much better it is than the one I had before. You know, so this should blow all the benchmarks out of the water. You know, if it doesn't, I'll probably return it, but I don't think I'll have any problems with a name like Speedefy. I think this thing's gonna work great. So I wanted to show you guys the settings for the Speedefy AC2100 router. It has a lot of settings you can configure and set in here. It's really easy to use and intuitive. To log in through the browser, you would just type in your router IP address. This right here is not the default router IP address. I actually changed it to mimic my last router just because I was more used to that. But you could pretty much probably set it to anything you want. I chose that because I was used to that. There's a lot of settings you can configure in here. You got some Wi-Fi settings here. You can even change parental controls and block specific websites. You can turn on guest networks. You can even connect a VPN to your router as well to make sure all your traffic is filtered and hidden if you wish. You can turn on IPv6. It has some advanced settings down here which allow you to do many things that most people might not understand, but you know, the options are there for the more advanced people as well, and it's pretty easy to use for the less advanced people. So this right here is all your settings for the Speedefy AC2100 router, which at $80 is a great price point for this router. Pretty much anybody could use it and set it up, and they should instantly get better internet connection throughout their whole home. So I would definitely recommend this product to anybody out there looking to get a new router. So take care everybody, have a good one, and I hope you liked the video.